Very good morning to all of you students. Today we are going to continue with the same chapter, that is framing of the Constitution, and our today's topic is the making of the Constituent Assembly. How the Constituent Assembly was made or prepared, that we are going to see in this topic. Okay, so let us start our topic, students. You will see the Constituent Assembly member were chosen. So this member of the Constituent Assembly was chosen on the basis of the provincial election, which means the state elections. So these members were chosen on the provincial election, which was held in 1946. As you all know, in 1947 India got the freedom. So before this, when the British rule was there, so that time the provincial election was held. So that time, on the basis of this election, this Constituent Assembly members were chosen. Okay, and the Congress was the strongest party at that time in 1947 or 46. At that time, the strongest party was the Congress. So it is the oldest party also, as you all know, and one political leader, that was Rajni Kothari, was said that India was the Congress and Congress was the India. The statement was said by the Rajni Kothari. Okay, so it was the strongest party. Okay, and you will see the league was successful in the reserved seat. At that time, some seats were reserved for the Muslims, and in that case, you will see Muslim League got